Arts Alive Wales is an educational arts charity based in Nghrucywel in South Powys, and we work with artists responding to our rural environment, and we do a lot of work with communities, particularly for children and young people and vulnerable adult groups. We're very thankful for Hanfod Cymru to give us a grant towards some studio equipment, so we're going to use the money to buy a portable printing press. So we're going to buy this press and take it out into the community, so we'll have the chance to really use it across our projects, in particular two projects, Cabin Creft, which is a project for young people aged 16 to 25, for young people facing homelessness and children who aren't engaging in school as well as they could be. And our Cabin Stiwdio project, which is a creative writing project funded by BBC Children in Need. And we're going to use the portable printing press for children to explore letters and symbols in ways that they can communicate more effectively. The difference that the grant will make towards our work will be huge. So we'll have instant access to printmaking in our community, which will be really good across our Cabin Craft and Cabin Stiwdio projects. And also there's the chance to use it more widely in our dementia pilot projects and our cael project, which is a pan-Wales project commissioned by Arts Council of Wales. So yes, it will primarily benefit the young people that we work with, but the wider community, as it'll provide instant printmaking access.